Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. Today's episode, we're going to fix a sprinkler riser from a broken sprinkler head. I'm not saying these two are the offenders, but they were last seen in the area. Here's some tools I used to get the job done. Let's do it. When a sprinkler riser breaks off like this, there's most likely going to be a piece of the riser still stuck down underground, threaded into the pipe. I used this threaded pipe extractor to remove the piece that was broken off inside the pipe. As usual, links are in the description. I went ahead and replaced the entire sprinkler head also. The old one may have worked still, but it took quite the beating when it got broken off. Once I get a new sprinkler installed, I like to make adjustments just to get the spread and the throw correct before I turn it on and make the final adjustments. Once I've got the water on, I can make the final fine adjustments to make sure that I get water on the part of the lawn that needs it. If you enjoyed this project, please watch our other projects at Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, and like and subscribe for future projects.